In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create with responsive behaviors in Wix Studio. Whether you're building your first website or refining an existing one, understanding responsive design is absolutely essential. It ensures that your site adapts beautifully to every type of screen, from desktops to mobile devices, creating a seamless experience for your visitors. Wix Studio provides a range of powerful tools to make this process intuitive and efficient, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills to make your website look professional and polished on any device. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix Studio platform. Simply type the URL into your search bar or click on a saved bookmark if you have one. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. You'll notice the login button prominently located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that button to begin. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up first. The process is straightforward and quick. However, if you already have a Wix account, you can proceed directly to log in. For an even faster experience, select the option to continue with Google. Just make sure you're already logged into the correct Google account in your browser to avoid any unnecessary back and forth. Once you've completed this step, you'll be taken directly to your Wix Studio dashboard. Now that you're in your dashboard, it's time to start working on your website. Select the section of your website that you want to edit. This can be any part of your site, such as the header, footer, or a specific content block. To do this, simply click on the section you want to modify. You'll know it's selected because the section will highlight, giving you a visual cue that it's ready for editing. Next, locate the responsive behavior options in the editing panel. This panel is where you'll find all the tools and settings you need to customize your website's design. Once you've found the responsive behavior settings, it's time to start making adjustments. One of the first features you'll want to explore is the Scale Proportionally option. When you click on this, Wix Studio will automatically adjust the size ratio of your selected element. This is a critical step in ensuring that your design doesn't look stretched or squished on different screen widths. It's a simple yet powerful way to maintain the visual integrity of your site across various devices. After that, enable the Fixed Height option. This setting locks the height of your section, keeping it consistent regardless of the screen size. It's especially useful for ensuring that your layout remains clean and easy to read, no matter the device your visitors are using. A consistent height helps maintain a professional and organized appearance. Finally, activate the Fit to Screen feature. This option ensures that the section you've selected will fill the viewer's screen completely. It's perfect for creating an immersive experience, especially for key sections like landing pages or banner images. This feature makes your design more impactful by drawing the viewer's focus to the content you want to highlight. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully applied responsive behaviors to your website using Wix Studio. Remember, responsive design is not just about aesthetics. It's about accessibility, usability, and creating a great experience for your visitors, regardless of how they're viewing your site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.